Hello and welcome to Krista So Crafting. My name is Krista and I'm really happy that you're here with me today. We are going to continue on opening boxes for the 24 Days of Advent Calendar Joy. It is a craft Advent calendar, so there's lots of different marking tools and like paints and markers and acrylic markers and gel markers and stuff like that. So let's move on with today, and today is December the 17th, so we need to open up box number 17, which is right here. So let's move that. So on this one we have lots of different houses and buildings, so let's open it up and see what's in here. Okay, so we have another little notepad. We received similar to this before, but it was green, and this one's red. And again, it's just the blank pages. So you could, so many different things you could use this for. You could keep your, even though the people in IT don't want to hear this, you could keep your passwords and stuff written down in here. You could write recipes in here. You could use it for a daily craft adventure where you can draw a picture, either portrait or landscape, whichever way you want to go, or divide it up and make this page for week 1 of your crafting journal. Like there's so many things you could use it for. You could just doodle, you can also take and decorate the front and the back if you wanted of this. There is no front or back on it, but you could definitely set it up that way. With my green one, I had said that what I was going to do was use my Cricut and put something on the front. I'm not quite sure what yet. And then on the inside, what I was going to do is take and divide up this page into 7 little blocks. And so each day I would draw something in one of the little blocks, and then this would represent week 1. You could do that, or you know what? You could do a whole month. Just do little tiny pictures. Who knows, right? Like the possibilities are endless. I think this is a great little book to have. What I'm going to do with it, I'm not sure. We will maybe figure that out together as we continue on with the Advent calendar. So thank you again for joining me as we opened up box number 17, and I will see you tomorrow for box number 18. Thank you again and happy crafting.